Hey Transformers, congratulations on hitting your weight loss fitness goal. Now it's time for maintenance. Now, maintenance is pretty straightforward. So, when you're losing weight, you're in something called a calorie deficit where you're burning more calories, you're consuming fewer calories. Now, we're going to get you into a calorie equilibrium where the same amount of calories you're burning is the same amount of calories you're consuming. So, how we're going to make that happen is we're going to slowly integrate more food for you to eat so that we're balancing the calories in versus the calories out. So over here, exactly the same, your vegetables, your protein, your carbs, your fats. The serving size is going to be a little bit, the portions are going to be a little bit different for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For breakfast, you're going to eat a little bit more. You're going to have 2 servings of protein and then 2 servings of carbs. Lunch, exactly the same. 1 serving veggie, 2 servings of protein, 2 servings of carbs. For dinner, still try to avoid the carbs at night, but we're going to reintegrate some of the fats back in. So you're going to have 2 servings of fat. So 2 thumbs of fat. So this could be olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds. Also for your snacks, have a afternoon snack, have a protein, have a fat. Morning snack, have a vegetable, and have a carb. And if you're following this guideline, then your calories will more or less be balanced. And from there, it's just maintenance. You don't have to be worrying about gaining weight ever again because it's going to be balanced. The weight's not going to go down, it's not going to go up. You're going to be consistent if you follow this meal plan. All right, good luck, and thanks for allowing us to transform your life through fitness.